back to H2 Economics Help. In today's lesson, we'll be studying the first chapter in economics. This is for both H1 and H2 students. The central problem of economics is scarcity. Well, what is scarcity? Scarcity arises because humans have unlimited wants but limited resources to satisfy these wants. Let's use an example to illustrate this. For example, I only have $3 for lunch, but I want to eat both chicken rice and sushi. I cannot eat both because I have limited money. So I need to make a choice on what to eat. If I eat chicken rice, I don't have enough money to eat sushi. If I eat sushi, I cannot eat chicken rice. Hence, I need to make a choice on how to allocate my scarce resources to fulfill the most pressing one. Due to limited resources, humans cannot satisfy all of their unlimited wants. A choice has to be made on how to allocate their resources, on which ones should they forego and which ones to satisfy. And when I make a choice, I incur an opportunity cost. An opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative forgone. So, the opportunity cost of eating sushi is chicken rice, because that was the next best alternative that was forgone. I will go into deeper detail about choice and opportunity cost later. Human wants here refer to goods and services. Okay, goods are things that you can see and touch, for example, like a handbag or a gaming console. Services are things that you cannot see and touch. For example, a teacher offering a teaching service to a student. These are things that you cannot see. Here are some terms that you will see frequently in microecons. In layman terms, producer goods refer to goods that the producer buys to produce final goods and services. That's why it's called producer goods, because these are the goods that the producer buys. For example, to produce a good, a producer needs to buy capital goods like raw materials, machines, and these are all producer goods. Consumer goods refer to final goods and services that are consumed by the households or the consumers. We say households in this case is to represent the consumers because basically you can think of it simply. Your consumers live in the households and these two terms can be used interchangeably in economics. Right, let's use an example to understand this better. So to produce a car, we need raw materials such as wheels, rubber, and your handbrake. These are considered intermediate goods that will be used to produce your final good, which is a car. And this final good will be consumed by your consumers. That's why it's termed consumer goods. So take note, final goods refer to consumer goods. Let me give you some other examples. To produce cake, we need sugar. To produce a wardrobe, we need glass. To produce a dollhouse, we need paint. Are you able to find out which are the final goods and which are the intermediate goods here? Right. So, the final goods here are the cake, wardrobe, and dollhouse. And the intermediate goods are the sugar, glass, and paint. Hence, in order to produce final goods and services, we need to buy intermediate goods. Producers need to buy intermediate goods in order to produce these final goods and services for consumers to consume. We'll cover more on scarcity, choice, and opportunity costs later in the following video. Stay tuned and bye for now.